Well, we're nearing the end of the music room project. My tools are everywhere. This guy said he was gonna help, but he didn't. Gotta get working on the grout. We're gonna mix up some grout. Got about a half bag left. It takes 2 quarts to mix a full bag. This is a little less than half, so I'm gonna start with about 3 cups of water. 3/4 of a quart. If we need a little more water, we'll just spray it in. Need a little bit more water. Just gonna do a couple squirts with the hose. See how that goes. Okay, time to do some grouting. So I'm just using this trowel to scoop it out. We're gonna just get a little bit and start to tuck it right in the joints. Now some people say you should spread it all over the surface and then work it in. I kind of find this a little easier. So you just sort of fill it up like this. We'll do a few of the joints right now. And then when you get a few of them set in, we'll do the other side here. Just kind of roughly filling it. Then we take, and we're gonna use our grout float. This is kind of like a hard foam. And take this and go at 45-degree angles and rub over your grout. Try and scrape what you can away. And it presses it nicely into the joints, just like that. So I'll usually do a lot more before I start to sponge, but I'll show you what you do. You need a clean sponge, a clean bucket of water, and you're gonna get your sponge wet and squeeze it out as much as you can until it's just damp. And then you take your sponge and you wipe, same 45-degree angles. And you can really only do one part of the sponge at a time. Don't try to use that part twice. You'll do nothing but smear the grout everywhere. And we'll do the other side. Some people say you roll it as you pull it. If you could do that, that'll work too. And I got a little bit here I can do. So that is the first step to cleaning the grout. Now you're gonna let this sit and pretty much firm up until you can touch the grout, but it doesn't move. Right now it's very, very soft. And then we're gonna come and clean it again with a sponge. We should be able to get it nice and clean. But for now, on we go. More grout. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.